Hey guys, it's Spoiler Cosplay and welcome to the first video in my princess series, The Lost Princess Rapunzel. Let's get started. So I am going to do my foundation like I always do. If you would like a more in-depth look at how I do this, I suggest you check out my spider blend tutorial. So I'm just going to speed through this really quick and yeah. To start the eyeshadow, I am using the shade Blank Canvas from the Lime Crime Phoenix XL palette all over my lids and going all the way up to my brow bone. Then, using the shade Candy Peach from the Sweet Peach palette, I will go over just my lids. Going back to the Phoenix XL palette, I am using the shade Scallop on the outer half of my lids and crease. Now I am using the shade Goddess on the outer corner of my crease. I have hooded lids, so I also bring this color up onto my brow bone so my lids don't look too droopy. I'm just going to build this shade up until I like how dark the color is. I am using the shimmer shades Just Peachy and Bellini from the Sweet Peach palette on the center of my lid with a packing brush. Then, with a small brush, I use Luscious in the outer corner and blend to the center on both my upper and bottom lid. With the excess color on my blending brush, I am putting some of the pink under my bottom lashes. Now I am doing my brows with my Milani Dip Brow Pomade, and I am keeping these relatively the same size as my natural brow. I am using the same method for Rapunzel's freckles as I do for Gwen's freckles, but I am concentrating these all along my nose and concentrating them on my cheeks. For blush, I am using an e.l.f. blush palette with these two pink shades and mixing them together to create the perfect shade and just brushing them on my cheeks. I am using the shade Fire Crystal from the Fenty Beauty highlighter palette to highlight my nose, cheekbones, cupid's bow, and brow bone. I am using my NYX Matte Finish setting spray to set my makeup. The lashes I am using are just a simple drugstore lash, and I'm just going to apply them like you normally would apply lashes. And I'm just going to coat my lashes and false lashes with some mascara to blend them in. This lipstick is NYX's Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Zurich. It's a very pink shade, so I'm just going to build it up to the color that I like. Well, that's it for my Rapunzel makeup tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. This is very pink based off of my own dress that I made, but if you would like a more park style makeup tutorial, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching.